It's a sim. So after years of being in the makeup chair, switching roles today. We've got makeup artist Tanisha Kong, who is right here. And she's going to brush us up. Well, she might have a brush up the bridge because I don't need any brushing up because I know these things. But, so this is a makeup off.
A make-off.
A make-off between I and I. But here it is unfair because that's husband and that is wife. And I am told by their neighbors that they've been practicing this
no need
about
to worry.
a week and a half.
No need to worry, man. You know?
Now, with me is the wonderful and outstanding Monkey Face. Oh, she just said I must call her on TV. It's my friend. This is Yannick, but I call her Monkey Face. And I changed her name this morning to Monkey Forehead. But when I'm done with her, she's going to be the most beautiful monkey face in the entire world. Take it away.
I'm not sure you guys really need me. I should just go.
No, you have to talk to the great Tanisha.
All right, Tanisha. Yes. Generally speaking, what does he need to know before, or what do they need to know before they start?
Okay, so you need to know that brows are very important.
Brows?
Brows. Eyebrows.
Oh, brows.
So try and, you know,
fill
them a little bit because it completes the look. Like you can do a foundation and everything, but then it's not complete if your eyebrows aren't done. It kind of looks off.
They frame the face, right?
Yes, they frame the face.
So should they be thick? Should they be pointed? Should they be round?
It should fit.
Should they be square?
It should fit the person's face, like not too rounded, not too square. If somebody has naturally thick eyebrows, don't give them thin eyebrows.
Right?
Should it be light or should it be light or should it be heavy?
It should be light.
Okay,
not
so don't draw on it's not a coloring book, gentlemen. It's a palette.
Until you have eyebrow pencils here, you just lightly fill the brows.
Lightly fill the brows?
Yes.
All right. I have a sixth sense that this is going to be a disaster.
Oh, it's going to be so fun.
But I'm going to tell the gentleman to go ahead, and Tanisha, I'm going to ask you to
so
I can look at what they're doing. Yes.
So this is what? This is the pencil?
That's the eyebrow pencil.
So you're going to just monitor and give them tips as they move along. On your mark.
And I shake.
Pull the card. Drink. Go.
And I shake.
All right, Tanisha, go ahead. Please go and tell Neville what you see.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wait, no, you see those bunks, man.
Okay, Neville. Oh my gosh.
Neville, one direction. One direction.
One direction?
Yeah. Say again now, lady.
Very defined.
Jesus. You watch Star Trek, don't you?
I don't watch.
You watch Star Trek.
You're doing a good job.
Don't doing a good job.
So
the next one, you see?
So question, should I?
Yes, you have to fill it in. Yeah, man, you have to fill it in. So you don't want to see the box, you know, so you have to fill it in.
Oh, I see. I was just a marker guy.
And fill in yeah, man, you do the marker, but it's best you fill upwards.
Oh, fill upwards like this?
Yeah, like along with the hair.
Tanisha, when you see this now, you don't feel like you want to jump in and...
this is
the next one now. Do the next one now, yeah.
This is not fair, I can never get this.
Oh, don't look. You can't look at what's going on over there. All right, so Neville has filled in one brow and he's moving to the other.
All right, yeah.
Okay.
Now we have to do the eyeshadow.
Jesus, Paul, I don't think she's going to talk to you. This union could be finished when you finish with her makeup. All right, where do must go next, Tanisha? From after eyebrow?
The eyes.
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow, all
right. All right, Cree. Mega try help her. Come, shadow.
What is that?
Shadow.
Eyeshadow right here.
So take one of the eyeshadow brushes.
Eyeshadow is
here.
Use this brush.
Under your eyeshadow?
Under the lid.
Which one me did use? That one I did use. Which one me did use?
The color is missing one time.
I'm not helping you, sir. I'm just the moderator, sir.
Under yours, alright?
No,
on the eyelid.
Oh, close the eye.
Yes, close eyes.
Tanisha, your thoughts so far?
They're doing a great job.
You're too light, Tanisha. You don't tell the truth, lady.
No, Neville is winning for me.
Cause it's what it will.
Hey, Neville used to this.
Never don't put on eyeshadow though.
No, the producer specifically so enough for practice
at home? Okay.
So Neville
go ahead, sir. Yes, man, Neville is... You finish the shadow? Neville, not... May I just suggest to you that you not finish the shadow? You cannot just put one line of glitter on the lady and leave her. Can you finish the lid, please?
I'll open this
Where?
one.
Can you tell him to finish the lid?
You have to put mascara on her eyelashes too.
This is the lip thing?
So talk to me. I don't know yet.
It's true, Paul. It's true.
What is next?
You're good.
Yes,
Go to our lips now.
Lips?
Oh, mascara. Put some mascara
What is
on her
mascara?
eyes.
Are you sure you want to give them the mascara?
What is mascara? What that do?
This goes on the top.
Jesus. So, you have a close eye.
Yeah, I would.
I would close the eyes.
Oh, I think you don't roll it, right?
Praise
Yeah,
God.
but you
Praise God.
Oh, nice.
What?
Good job.
They're going to do you. Next side.
Can you dip it again?
Yeah, man, you can dip it again.
If you can dip it, you don't. Alright, go on. Tanisha is a makeup artist.
What's that?
Tanisha, how goes it?
It's going good.
Any
Better
absolute
than I thought.
disasters yet?
Better than I thought.
Mr. Bell, you know I'm slightly impressed with what you're doing over there.
It's not so bad.
Alright, Paul, lips time.
Lips.
We want red or you want purple?
Or you want this darker
Or
color
you want this color?
to match her
Dress.
her dress.
Alright,
Alright,
go Paul. Go, I'm with you, Paul.
You see? I get a bad start. What happened?
No, you're doing a good job.
Come on,
Doing
let's
a
go.
good job.
Look straight
So, I shouldn't line her lips.
Man, that's good.
Oh my God.
Paul
See,
is
with these
watching.
liquid,
I think Paul watched on YouTube before and come
with
here
these
this morning.
liquid lip liners, they dry down into a matte color, so you know you don't necessarily need to line
When
sometimes.
when you're mascara.
We need mascara. There we go.
And when we do it.
And put it on her eyelashes.
No paper? Because I think that is.
No, please.
Yes.
My head, you got me eye.
Hold on, give me a sec.
I done.
What is what you need over there?
Paper.
I finish.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Makeup down. Makeup down. Judge.
You don't want to do a little contour with this?
No, I don't want to get too carried away. I finish.
Contour.
Come put a little contour on her cheekbones, Neville.
How do you contour?
When
I
I'm
swirl
contour.
it for you.
Hold on.
On her
When the Paul needs to
does it
contour
down?
too.
Yeah,
What is contour?
So,
there you go.
that's at time.
What
Okay.
is contour?
Alright.
Yes.
Judges, or should I say judge?
No.
Come, Paul,
There you
contour.
go.
Cheeks, around the cheek. Come, just
You
contour.
guys did a good job.
I think the last time I heard you brush backwards.
Well,
Jesus. Then you rub it in her cheek, no, Paul, or you make her little shit up in the dirt.
we're having a divorce right here on
Put your hand into
television.
the client face, sir.
This morning we're having a divorce right here.
Yeah. Next side now.
Next side, yeah.
Nice. Paul actually blows into her face when he's finished.
I mean, it's your wife, so I guess that's
I
fine.
guess. Tanisha, you've done the likes of Shelly and Fraser Price, Amita
Yes.
Pasab, Webb, your talent list goes on and on. Have you ever seen more beautiful makeup than these two ladies
Never.
sitting here?
Never.
Yes, doesn't compare to your work at all.
This is so good. It's like a work of art.
And if you had to make a call, I know it's difficult, Tanisha, but on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate Mr. Bell?
I would say like a 6.
6.
Because he does this every day.
What would be the issues that you encounter looking at his work?
Just, like lighten right here on the brows a little bit so
Yes.
it's not so hard.
Yes.
And just a little bit more color on her actual eyelid.
Okay.
Yeah, but that is your
Could he have
opinion.
blended in? Could he have blended in?
That is your opinion.
but
This is what I want.
Hold on, sir. Could he have blended in that shadow just a little more?
Yeah,
or-
just a little bit
Okay,
more.
but I think her lips are fantastic.
Lips are good.
Yes, and the contouring on the cheek?
Yes, good.
Okay, so
I
there's
think you
your
did a good
before for both of them. Wait a minute, we have one more talent.
Well, I hate to say this, but it's the
One more
best I've ever
talent.
seen
Wait a
monkey
minute.
face look in our
Let's
life.
move over. Let's look at
that.
Paul's
You have never
client.
looked this good.
Let's talk through Paul's client.
All right, so Paul will give you like a 4.
Yes, why?
The brows are really
Star Trek.
Yes.
Yes.
Like almost like an Oscar Grouch kind of
dear.
brow.
This is not fair because never does it every day.
I have never done this in my life. I am made up every day, but I've never made up anyone in my life. I am just good.
Paul, I think you won.
Thank you very much, Cindy.
I mean, I don't really think you won, but I just don't want you. So I'm just going to go with Paul. So Paul won. won.
Yay.
But not really,
We did
because
that,
Tanisha
great.
said that they won. Good job, gentlemen.
Good job,
Thank you,
guys.
Tanisha. Appreciate it. Thank you, ladies, for being good sports. Take a break. We'll be right back.
And if you ever trouble it for the day,
You want her to walk around like
of
that?
course, because you look good. You're best member. Look at that. Look at that.